many.
You guys are against killing? The world needs more people like you.
I agree.
Guestkidbloxians are attacking the BFDI island. They plan to attack us because they have 13 missiles to destroy it. Please stay safe and evacuate until these ugly Guestkidbloxians are gone. If you're too late, hide in a bucket that's not filled with water, and it's metal. Please stay tuned to 98.3 FM. The following affected are Dafa, Feg, Dhaka, Hegda, and Hegda North, Oriental Dafa, Occidental Dafa, Guards and Guards North, Vanda, Oriental Vanda, and Dakes, and also Yania. Please pack food, water, flashlight, first aid kit, charger, plugger, and a cell phone. Always ready, always safe. This is the National